Hi guys, thank you for watching Marketing with Meili. So today we're going to be doing straight lines, perfect circles, importing brushes, and importing fonts. So with that being said, let's jump straight in and get right to it. So you're going to open up Procreate and it's going to bring you to your gallery, and then you're going to want to press screen size. Okay, so let's start off with making a perfect circle. So of course you want to make sure you have a color selected. Color of your choice really doesn't matter. I'm going to go with black. And I am using monoline, or you can use your favorite Procreate pencil. It really doesn't matter. So here we are. So you just would make a circle as you normally would. It's a little wobbly, but once you close that circle, you want to hold it. Okay, so once you hold it, you see there it is. I haven't lifted my pencil, so that's why I'm controlling the size of it. So it's still a little, wonky. It's not necessarily a circle, it's a little ovalish. So what you want to do is, with your pencil still holding down on your screen, boom, just like that. So once I take my finger off, it gives me that original shape again. Put your finger back, there it is. So you would need to lift your pencil first in order to keep that shape. And then at the top, it gives you an option for edit shape. It has ellipse and it has circle. So that's what it was before. And here's the circle. You can also drag the points, but I'm not going to too much bother and mess with that. So to undo a mistake, or, without erasing, you just take 2 fingers and tap to undo. So there we are. There is our perfect circle. Now let's focus on straight lines. It's pretty simple as well. So you would take and make a straight line as you would regularly do. You hold down and then it turns straight. So, I haven't lifted my pencil, and I can pretty much take this line any way I would like to take it. But there's the straight line. I believe you can also put a finger down. Yes. So you can take your finger and put it down to get it perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. Let's get that notification out of the way. So that is making straight lines. So once you get your screen split, this is what we're going to do. So let's start with importing fonts. I believe that'll be a bit easier. So I get free fonts from dafonts.com, DAFONT.com, dafont, or fontspace.com. Okay, so here are a few fonts here. Let's click fonts. So that looks like a fun one. Let's click download. Download. So now that we have a font, you could just slide this middle line over, and that way you can get Procreate back on your full screen. Splitting your screen to download free, splitting your screen to download free brushes and free fonts is so much easier than constantly closing your app and swapping app to app. So to import fonts, you will want to click the wrench tool here at the top left of your Procreate app, and then you're going to click add text. So after you click add text, let's see, let's pull up our keyboard. Let's type in the Brat. Okay. I'm extra. Now I'm thinking like, oh my gosh, I don't like the Brat with 2 T's, but I'm going to leave it alone because we don't need this video to be too long now, do we? So here is the font that it is already on. So you would click that. Now it brings up all of the fonts, the sizes, the kerning. Kerning, it just lets you put spaces. Oh, I do like the spaces. And here you can select regular, italic, light, whatever. And here's the double T's. I can select if I want them all lowercase or all capital. So here are some fonts that I've already pretty much imported. So to import more, you see here, you would select import. So after we've begun downloading our selected font, you're going to click the 3 dots at the top right of your website link that you're on. We're going to select downloads. And here is the font that we've downloaded. So it is in a zip file. So I'm going to tap it to unzip it. And it's going to pull it up here. I already have it in my downloads. Okay, and here it is, Spider Home. So I'm going to tap that. Let's scroll this little bar back up. Let's split our screens again. So now that I know what brush I want to import, where did you go? Okay, to not take up too much time, let's just search for it. Spider Home, there it is. So let's click import, and I will just search over here, Spider Home. And it's literally that simple, guys. Well, I don't want to say literally, because if it's not simple for some of you, I don't want to be offensive. So, but no worries. If you do not understand it now, you would definitely get it. It's just understanding and navigating through Procreate. You may need to play with it for a little bit to where you become familiar with what is what and where's what. So I'm just looking for the font that I just imported. I have a lot of fonts imported already, so here it is. So let's click Spider Home. Ew, I like. Let's blow it up. So there you have importing fonts. Guys, so let's get right to it. Now let's slide up our dock. Let's split our screens, and now we're going to be downloading free brushes for Procreate. So normally I just search free brushes for Procreate. All right, so you can see this is a link that I've already clicked before because it's highlighted. And there are several other great links as well. A lot of free brushes are on the actual Procreate website, and there are actually, I cannot talk this morning. There are also a lot of other artists that offer free brushes that they've created as well. And you'll see they'll say 100% free to download, so no worries, guys. You will not get in any trouble for downloading any of these brushes or fonts that I am showing you. So let's just dive right in. I'm going to click the one that I've already clicked before, just because I'm already familiar with the website. Okay, so now that we're here on the site, these are a few brushes for anime and things of that nature. Let's see, let's go ahead and click on that. Let's get that ad out of our faces. Now, you'll click download brush set right here. Click download. And just like before, where we were importing fonts, you would just want to go here to the little 3 dots at the top right of the website link. You'll go to your downloads, and here you are, highlights. So once you click this, it automatically imports the brush for you guys. That is why I cannot stress enough that it's so much easier to split your screen, because had my screen not been split, I would have jumped back and forth and I would have to import the brush manually. Now I'll still show how to import the brush manually, just in case that shortcut malfunctions for anyone for any reason. But here's the brush that we literally just imported, and it's full of anime hair brushes. Super cute, super easy. Let's test one out. And there you have it. Let's do another. So that one posts more like a sticker or a template. And then let's see what this one does. Yeah, so there's the anime hair. All right, guys, so moving forward to the next topic. Now I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a custom palette. So here are the palettes that I have already created over here. And these are colors that I typically use for my projects. But say I'm drawing a cartoon picture of myself. Let's see here. You're going to click the plus. So it says create a new palette. You can do that from scratch, from camera, from taking a new picture, from file for any picture or files that you have in your photos, or new from photos. I always select new from photos. So let's say I want to do a picture of me. Let's do this one here. So it's going to import, oh, my bad. So here it is. It's going to import all those pictures. All of those colors from that specific picture. Now, that's pretty self-explanatory, but let me show you a little trick. So let's split our screens again. Let's clear this out. And let's just look up, flower wall. Let's select images. Okay, so now that we have a few flower walls pulled up over here, I'm gonna select one with a lot of color, popping color. Let's do this one. So you hold down and you drag over and let go. Boom. And there are your custom colors. So it did extract every single color that was in this photo. And that's what I love about Procreate. There's so many little gestures, so many little shortcuts. And hopefully there are still more out there. I'm sure there are. I'm sure I don't know them all, but I do try to keep up. So let's do another picture. If it was too fast for you, hold it down. You're gonna drag, and you're not gonna let go until it gives you a space like this above the previous color palettes. If you do it like this, it's not gonna import anything. You want to make sure that you have that space above. See, now it's not giving it to me. Give me a space, give me a space. So let's let that go. Let's do it again. There it is. And those are the colors. So guys, we've covered straight lines, we've covered perfect circles, perfect shapes, importing brushes, fonts, and creating custom palettes. I do appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in with Marketing with CeoMEILI. I am going to be back with a few more informational videos, so I'm going to drop the links below in the description that we use for free fonts and free brushes, along with any other information that you guys may need. So let me know what you think about this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time.